In 1970, Dodge introduced the Challenger. One of those models was the Trans Am Challenger, featuring a 346 pack engine that created 290 horsepower. This is a 4-speed car, and it happens to be this week's Autopsy report. E55. In this case, it's the 1970 340 with 3 two-barrel Hollies creating 290 horsepower. D21, that's the heavy-duty 4-speed manual transmission. JH23, that represents the first 4 characters of the vehicle identification number. J, Challenger. H, high-price class code. 23, two-door hardtop. J0B, the J represents the 346 pack engine, the 1970 model year, and B, Hamtramck, Michigan. 294440 is the unique serial number only to this car. FC7, Foxtrot Charlie 7, that's the famous plum crazy purple paint. H6X9 means it has black, all vinyl bucket seats. 000 is a one-piece interior door trim panel. 402 represents the scheduled production date of the car. That is the 4th month, the 2nd day of 1970. 059811, that is the shipping order number that only appears on the broadcast sheet, unique to this car. V1X means it is a full black vinyl top. A53, that is the Trans Am package. B51, power brakes. In this case, all TA Challengers were power disc brakes. C16, center console. C55, again, bucket seats. G36 is the sales code for the left-hand outside mirror. It is painted, racing style, and remote. J45, that is the hood pin tie-down, standard on all TA Challengers. J54 actually represents the bulge hood. It's canceled out later by the N94 fresh air hood. J82 is the ducktail style rear spoiler. M21 are your drip rail moldings. N44, the very unique side megaphone exhaust. N94, that represents the fiberglass cold air induction hood. R11 AM radio. V6H, that is the black Trans Am horizontal stripe. Y05 means it was built to USA specifications. 26 represents the size of the radiator, 26-inch max cooling, standard on all Trans Am Challengers. EN1 represents the end of the sales code. Also happens to be the end of this week's Autopsy report.